of this prestigious institution, Nyan Prasarak Mandals, Shri Krishna Pokleji, our Principal Arolkar ji, Vice Principal of this college, all the teachers, the Chairman of this Astitwa, the General Secretaries, and all you students, the judges of the day, sorry, and all you students over here. I'm happy to be here. Little time I spent over here, it was like a stress buster to me. I relieved all my stress looking at the lovely ramp, the ramp walk, all the lovely boys and girls walking on the ramp. And I thought like, I wanted it also to be a participant, but my 6 packs are gone now. And I have got 2 tires. So then I remembered, no, I cannot. So next year, probably if you give me an opportunity to walk the ramp, I would start exercising from tomorrow and build my 6 packs. Yeah. Felt nice to be here among all of you lovely performers. And it shows that this stage of Astitwa is not only the existence, but it is also to give a stage to all the youth to show your talent. Every youth over here is talented, and when God brought us in existence in this world, God has given us a purpose, and everybody has got a purpose. It's a life which is given by God. One day He will take it away. But in this life, what God has given us, we need to do something good. This is the time for you to study and also enjoy. I'm not saying no. It's the 2 things. Enjoy all your parties, whatever you all do, the youth, the vibrant youth of Goa, and also study hard. Because it's a competitive world, like the chairman said, it's a competitive world. You will have to do something for the better Goa, for the better tomorrow. And I wish you all the youth who are over here, all the best. And I want you to do something, because I remember studying in that class over there in 11th banking. And I used to also work and study. I used to go work in the morning and late in the evening, and the college timing I used to be here. So I passed out my 11th, 12th, and also in first year. So I could not complete my graduation, but I'm here in front of you today, addressing you, great future of Goa, the students of Goa. But definitely God has blessed me. I worked very hard, and God has blessed me. That's why I'm addressing you today. I could not complete my graduations because of different reasons. But success you will get only, all your dreams, what you have in your mind, can be accomplished only if you work hard and if you work towards your dreams. The future belongs to those who believe in their dreams. And I think the future is there for all you students. Something or the other is there kept for you in the future, where you will do something and make your parents proud, your village proud, Goa proud. Think big. This is what in the end I want to say. Think big. If you think big and aim big, and if you work hard towards that big thing, definitely you will get to your dreams, and you will show the world that this is what I am on my own legs. Standing here means one of you will be standing here and addressing your future students of this institution. I thank the management for inviting me over here. And it was a great performance by the students of, I think, different colleges. So in token of the love and appreciation, I would like to give them, every student who performed over here. This is not for the media. This is only for those students who are here. A pass for that. Some event is there in what is that? Anjuna or Vagata, there is some event. Sunburn, yes, sunburn. All those students who were here on the ramp will get 1 pass from me. Thank you. God bless.